So, nag-register ka sa my.sss. Tapos, after mong mag-submit ng registration at ganito yung natanggap mo na email from SSS number already registered. So, ganyan yung nakalagay sa email ng SSS. So, may mga bagay talaga na hindi mo na maalala. Char. What we gonna do with the dessert? So, first is, kailangan mong pumunta sa SS branch. Just bring valid ID. At ipakita yung email na already registered. Then, after that, bibigyan kanila ng user ID at temporary password. So, once mabigyan ka nila, mag-login ka na sa my.sss.
Wow!
So, enter your user ID. Then, yung temporary password. And then, sign in. Then, enter current password or yung temporary password na binigay ni SSS. Then, new password. So, gawa ka ng bagong password na gusto mo. Then, confirm. So, ano ba yung bagong ginawa mo na password? Kailangan mong i-confirm. Then, click change. Then, okay. Password successfully changed. Then, go home. Then, pwede ka nang mag-inquire ng contributions mo. Or, apply loan. Or, whatsoever. So, that's all. As simple as that. Easy to get. Easy to get me. Please get me na.